Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a very quick just showing you and unboxing my Simply Earth box for September because I just realized it's September 5th and I forgot to share this on the 1st. So I'm going to open it and share what I got. Just what comes standard in the box this month. This is a monthly subscription box. It's $45. I have a code that gives you a $45 gift card once you subscribe, free access to an essential oil course, a free big bonus box, which is a big box full of other things that you'll need to make your recipes. It's a really great deal just to try it if you like using essential oils but you're not sure where to start or how to use them once you get them. So this is what your monthly box will look like when you get it. There are always 4 oils, then 6 recipes and different things that you'll need to make recipes on the other side. You get 3 oils and 3 singles and a blend, and that's what it looks like we're getting this month too. I get an abundance of essential oils. As you can see, I have, like, most of the time I already have all of them that come, so I give away a lot of oils, and I took a break from that. But make sure you subscribe to my blog, which will be down below. There will be a big giveaway coming because I have taken a break off just to get into our fall routine, so lots of oils going out next week. And if you can't figure out how to subscribe to my blog, just let me know in the comments. But we are getting 4 essential oils. Cajaput is the first one. This is from Australia. It's fresh camphorous. It is a really good, like, medicinal, but kind of like a eucalyptus smelling essential oil. Not as strong maybe as eucalyptus. It's really good in that way though, so think respiratory for that one. Supreme Peppermint is next. This one is Mentha Paprika. This one doesn't say where it's from. Peppermint is peppermint. Super fresh, a little bit sweet, but mostly just so, like, I love peppermint essential oil. Balsam Fir, this is one of my husband's favorite. He loves all of the tree oils. This one's Canada, and it's from the Needles. So it's like strong. These are really great blended with a bunch of essential oils. So make like a kind of men's product, deodorants, things like that. We're getting ready to make, this is their monthly recipe box that I'm sharing here, but they have these DIY boxes also, and they come out with new ones all the time. This one we're gonna open and film. It's a natural deodorant. So you could use of these. Oh wait, are we making deodorant? We might be making deodorant in this box. So sometimes they correlate. This new big deodorant box is coming out, but it looks like maybe we are making some deodorant. I'm not sure. This one makes 6 deodorant tubes in this box, and that's all that one is, where this is kind of more of a variety. I'm getting ahead of myself, but maybe we're making deodorant. And then lastly is Resilience, which this is my favorite blend from Simply Earth. I have one sitting at my desk. So now I have 2 bottles. I go through them. This one is the first blend they ever came out with that has blue tansy in it, which is my favorite essential oil. So it has hoe wood, frankincense, black spruce, and blue tansy. I'll open this one. I might be giving one away, I might not, we'll see. But this is my opened one. Oh, it's just so sweet. It's such a balanced blend. It smells really, really good. Blue tansy kind of has that, like, invigorating smell to it, but it's mostly like sweet and grounding. It's like perfect balanced essential oil. I could go on for days. It's my favorite. Then in this side you get these recipe cards. So there are 6 ways to use your oils. And then what is this? Just an extra piece of paper. So I love that. On the back there's also information, so make sure you're looking at that. A sneak peek to the next box, I think. And then this one I really love because it kind of gives a summary of the essential oils and just a quick guide on their safety, which is really important with using essential oils. They go above and beyond though, and letting you know what you need to know, how to use them safely and effectively. But dilution, pregnancy safe, kid safe, cat safe, dog safe, and then the general use for those. So I love that. The first one is a lavender everyday spray. This is interesting. So we're going to use lavender hydrosol, which comes in your box. Black spray nozzle, which I don't see that, and it's, I think, supposed to come in the box. I'll double check on that. And then it says at home you'll need scissors. Why don't I have my spray nozzle? I think I have some. I think you're supposed to get a little spray nozzle for this. So you're going to remove the cap from this, trim the spray nozzle to fit, and then twist on. And you can just, that's it. That's so easy. But lavender hydrosol, any hydrosol really, is just so easy to use and can be used for so many different things. Think kind of same benefits as the essential oil that it is, but more gentle. You don't have to dilute hydrosols. You can put them in baths. You can spray them directly on your face like a toner. I think that's one of the uses. Air freshener, cooling face mist, fabric and pillow refresher, skin soother. Lavender is like the multitasker for skin stuff. Pet safe freshener, bath scent booster. So yeah, you can use, love that they include that. I just ordered a rose hydrosol. We go through a lot of these. Helichrysum hydrosol does not smell very good, but it's also really great for skin. Rooted Clarity Diffuser Blend. So in your big bonus box, you'll get empty bottles. You're mixing up some oils to make a diffuser blend. Resilient Start Body Wash. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm missing something else. So you'll need this body wash powder. You'll need from home an 8-ounce bottle and distilled water. So you're mixing a tablespoon of almond oil, which is in your big bonus box. This, and then a bunch of drops of all of the essential oils to make a body wash. I'm really excited about that. I'm about to run out, and I only use natural ones, fragrance free. So we will use the body wash a ton. And this is the first time I'm seeing this powder, so I don't know if it's new or what, but I'm excited about that. Tummy Soothe Roll-On. This is tummy roller is something we use regularly. We have like a handful of things that are in our first aid kit that we use all the time, like weekly. And tummy roller is definitely one of them. Peppermint is a main ingredient in that. So we're using peppermint, balsam, cajeput, and we're mixing into a roll-on bottle, which is in your big bonus. Grab and Go cleaning wipes. This is interesting. So we'll use the hydrosol, some almond oil as well. And from home, you'll need paper towels, a reusable cloth, a wide mouth jar, a preservative, which we've gotten before or you can get on their website. It's the GeoGuard preservative. You'll need Castile soap or vinegar and then water. Never made wipes. That's really cool. I will do a whole separate video of making these. I just wanted to show the box first. And Revive Balm. So from home, you'll need some cornstarch, but you are using, so we're not making deodorant. We got this tube and I'm like, oh no, deodorant. But this is just like a cardboard tube, gotten before in boxes to use for deodorant or whatever kind of balms. But we're using, from our big bonus box, this coconut oil from the big bonus box, and then peppermint and cajeput. And we are using cornstarch from home, kind of melting that all together and making this is going to be used for. To use. Remove the lid and rub onto the chest to help support. So cajeput, what essential oils, and peppermint are both great for respiratory support, and that's what we're doing. Honestly, I think all tree oils are good too for that. So if you want to add balsam fir, check your dilution rates, especially if you're using it for kids. But I would add that to this recipe too, especially since that's the intended use for respiration support, congestion, going into that type of season. We also get labels to make sure that you label everything, and then this is just a little pamphlet. The deodorant box, which I'm getting ready to film, and I will share with you guys very soon. Okay, this is it for September. It's an interesting box. I think I went like, ooh, that's cool, or ooh, that's interesting a lot. So I'm excited to get started on making these. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, I have a code. I always want to share the value because that's what I love about subscription boxes. It's always a great value. This one is $168. And like I said before, it's $45 per month. I think for $45, you're getting 4 essential oils. It would be worth it just to get that, but you're getting a lot of other things. So it's definitely worth it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.